As we all know that how technology is growing and changing very fast by creating impacts in each and every field. One of these growing technology is artificial intelligence. Today we are going to see the role of artificial intelligence in marketing. We are going to answer this question by discussing on 3 points. Number 1. What is AI and why is it important for the future of marketing? Number 2. How does AI work to make your marketing more successful? Number 3. Why are marketers worried about the impact of AI on their jobs? So let's begin with the first one. Artificial intelligence is a broad term that covers a variety of technologies, but it all boils down to one thing: machines are able to do things that were previously impossible. Machine learning is the process that enables computers to learn from data and experience in order to make better decisions in the future. This is the technology that will enable AI assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Cortana to get better at understanding us and what we want over time. Artificial intelligence is a technology that can find patterns in large datasets. This is important for marketing because it can help your company to find new customers faster and more efficiently than ever before. It helps us to predict what consumers will do and how they will react to certain content, products, or services. AI will play an important role in marketing because it can help marketers create content and material that will engage the audience. AI is a computer system that performs tasks that would be difficult to do for a human being. It can take on tasks such as content production, design, and even creative thinking. AI is the key to the future of marketing. It will help in getting your marketing campaigns more successful and engaging. AI can be used to analyze data from a variety of sources like customer surveys, customer behavior, website analytics, and social media engagement. This will help you get deeper insights into your customers, which will then enable you to target them better with better marketing channels. It can also be used for automating tasks that would otherwise have been done by human marketers. Automation saves time and increases productivity by giving marketers more time to focus on creative tasks that cannot be automated, like content management or creating new messages for specific audiences. The fear of robots and AI taking over our jobs is not a new one. Marketing professionals are now fearing the impact of AI in their workplace too. The emergence of artificial intelligence is going to change the landscape of marketing as we know it. AI will have an impact on all aspects of marketing such as customer experience, branding, and optimization. However, this has not been the case so far, with most jobs still being available for humans to apply for. It is true that automated advertising systems will be able to make some decisions like when to buy ads or what topics to target. But this does not mean that marketers will be out of work in the future. The marketing profession will evolve and adapt with new technologies, but they won't become obsolete anytime soon. So, after discussing on all the 3 points, we can conclude that artificial intelligence is that piece of technology that is helping us in today's time, and in future it will be giving us impossible results in field of marketing by saving our lots of valuable time and effort without adversely affecting any human jobs. That is it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed and got some knowledge through this video. I will meet you in the next one. Until then, don't forget to like, share and comment down your thoughts below, and also subscribe to the channel for more such content. Jai Hind.